FL Studio comes with a variety of utilities in the form of channels or effects that can further speed up your work. One of these is the layer channel, which you can add in the step sequencer. By default, even though I'm playing my keyboard, it doesn't seem to do anything. That's because I need to set children first. I have 3 kicks and I'd like to layer them all together, so first I'll select the layer tool, and then right-click on each channel that I want as part of the layer to select them, and then hit Set Children. Now when I play or sequence this layer channel, all of the children are triggered as well. Moving the volume of the layer affects all of the children. This is very useful not just for drums, but things like string sections, layered keyboards, synth stacks, and so forth. Here's where it gets fun though. You can select random, which will pick any one of the children to play each time you play a new note. It's useful, for example, if you have a bunch of different drums, like hi-hats, with slightly different sounds. The crossfade option lets you blend between children instead of playing them all at once. The fade knob controls which children are being played. If you ever forget which children are set to which layer, you can always hit Show Children and FL will display it for you. There is a somewhat secret feature of the layer tool that makes it very, very useful for quick inspiration. Perhaps you have a group of plugins that you enjoy using in most of your projects. I tend to use at least 3 Zebra 2 instances on everything I do, as well as, let's say, 2 Massives and 1 FM8. Rather than adding these channels one by one to each project manually, I can add them to a layer channel preset. Here I already have the plugins loaded, so I'm going to first set them as children for my layer, which I'll rename to Synth Stack. In the channel settings for the layer, I can hit Save State As and call it Synth Stack. Now, anytime I want to add these synths to this project or any other project, I can go to the browser, Channel Presets, Layer, and drag that preset in. This way you can create as many plugins or channels as you want in one fell swoop. Plus, the layer tool will even remember the settings for each plugin. You could, for example, create a plugin with 4 contact instruments full of orchestral sounds pre-mixed and ready to go, and then drag them into the project with one click.